A few weeks ago, my biggest worry was whether I'd get good grades or if my sister Margot would ever stop being so perfect. Life was simple, safe, and then everything changed. We couldn't take suitcases. That would be too obvious. So we wore as many clothes as possible. It was July, but I felt like I was carrying winter on my back.
Hurry! Inside, quickly!
Well, at least we don't have to wake up early for school anymore.
Anne, we must be very careful. No loud noises. No running. The workers downstairs must never hear us.
And no lights at night. If anyone sees us through the windows, I thought hiding would feel like an adventure. But it doesn't. It feels small. The world is still moving, but I'm stuck in place. Maybe I can't talk to anyone, but I can write. We wake before the workers arrive downstairs. We tiptoe. We whisper. During the day, we are shadows. At night, we can finally breathe. Do you think we'll ever leave this place? I don't know how long we'll be here. Weeks? Months? Years? But one thing is certain. I won't let this place take away my dreams. One day, the world will hear my story. Even in the darkest times, I still believe in hope. Dear Kitty, another morning in the annex. The world outside keeps turning, but here, time stands still. What do you think freedom feels like?
They're here!
Open up now. Otto Frank. Take them.
My words, my dreams, will they disappear with me?
Your words will live, Anne. I promise.
Among them were Anne and Margot Frank, two sisters, who once shared dreams, laughter, and stories. Anne, who had spent years in hiding imagining a future beyond war, now found herself in a place where even tomorrow seemed uncertain. Her diary was gone, but in her mind, she still wrote. One morning, Margot didn't wake up, and soon after, Anne, too, closed her eyes for the last time. Months later, the war was over. He returned to Amsterdam, to the place that once held his entire world, the secret annex. Otto held the diary in his hands, tracing the familiar handwriting of his youngest daughter.
Anne had always dreamed of becoming a writer, and Otto knew he couldn't let her story be forgotten.
So, in 1947, Anne's diary was published. Her words traveled farther than she ever could. Today, millions visit the Anne Frank house, stepping into the very rooms where she once wrote. Anne Frank did not survive, but her voice did. As long as her story is told, she never truly fades.